Bro, why do we all have that one friend who is not scared to talk back to their parents? Like, you'll be at their house just chilling, and their mom will walk in and be like, "Hey, can you take out the trash?" And your friend will just look at their mom and say, "No, go do it yourself. Now get out my room, I'm hanging out with my friend." Your soul instantly drops straight to your ass crack. You're genuinely scared that he is about to be deleted from the server permanently. And their mom just looks at them, smiles, and goes, "Okay, sweetie, sorry for disturbing you," and then just leaves. Like, bro, excuse me? Did you just apologize for asking them to do a basic chore? Now I'm sitting there in absolute disbelief, trying to process what I just witnessed. Meanwhile, my friend just goes right back to playing his game like nothing ever happened. Like, bro, if I ever spoke to my parents like that, I wouldn't even make it to the end of the sentence. My mom would have looked at me for 0.5 seconds, and she would have smacked me into a whole different ass galaxy. Like I'd literally be disintegrated on the spot, erased from existence, and my entire family tree would feel the consequences. Like, bro, at this point, I'm convinced he is his own parent, because there's no other explanation for this level of freedom. Subscribe for a kiss.